All right, guys, let me pull up the work. So we would have started cladograms this week a little bit earlier than in Friday, but with me not being there, I was trying to just give us some review stuff. When you pull up this worksheet, it has the website there. There's a lot here, so I really don't know if you will get through all of this or not. We'll kind of see on Monday. We'll kind of play it by ear and see where you're at. Or maybe I'll have like something for you to fill out before you leave class, and you can let me know where you're at on this thing. All right, so we're going to go to the following website, and the website is also located right here. You could click on it. All right, so let me go back to the worksheet. It says click play game and sign in with Google, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play game. Now, I've already signed in with it on Google, but it did have me sign in, and I could just click sign in with Google. So you guys will be able to do that too. Now, let's go back to the worksheet. It says click play mission 1. It contains 3 parts. You will read facts about each organism by clicking the magnifying glass on one of the organisms. Look at the top green wording, then drag them to the center to create a phylogenetic tree based upon traits that they share. That's a mouthful, right? Then you will drag the traits, the small dots, to the place on the tree. If it is correct, you'll see it at the top of the organism. All dots on each organism must be filled to correctly move on. All right, so mission part 1. I know it sounds like a lot. It's really not as difficult as it sounds. It says draw the simple tree below. Is an animal or a plant more closely related to fungus? All right, so red, green, and gecko. So let's do that. I'm going to do mission 1. So I clicked play. So here is red, green, and gecko. So I'm going to click on the gecko, and that's when they said you can click on this, and you can read through here, and it tells you, has cells with a nucleus, is heterotrophic, which we've seen these. We did notes on these. Let's see here. So they're showing you these different things here. Here's a mushroom. And it's just talking a little bit about each of these, okay? So I'm going to get out of there. Once I do that, it says drag these 2 species into the center. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag here. And I'm going to drag here. This is the start of a phylogenetic tree. Now here is the trait. So cells with a nucleus. I could put it, I'm going to do it wrong to show you what happens when you do it wrong. If I do it here, that happens. But I need both of these to light up blue. When everything at the top lights up blue, that means it's correct. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it there. And so you've solved the puzzle correctly. Now this is what you are going to draw. You do not have to draw a gecko and a palm tree. You can just write gecko and palm tree. Yeah, so that's what you're going to draw right here. And then don't forget to answer this question. All right, on mission 1, part 2, familiar faces. So let's see how we get back to that. So then you're just going to click next. Oh. So it's now giving you, okay, there we go. I'm sorry, now it's got the mushroom up there, which I was looking at. I kind of jumped ahead. I'm sorry, guys. I kind of jumped ahead. So I'm going to do this. So that's showing that, yeah, that's correct. Now look. If I put that there, and then I'm like, ooh. You see how the green didn't work? See how my palm tree is not correct. So I've got to fix some of this. I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to put this one here. Hey, and everything's good. I'm sorry. So when I told you to draw that first tree down, I know you're probably like, are you kidding me right now? Really, it's this tree you want to draw. So now that you've completed the first puzzle, answer the question, is an animal or plant more closely related to a fungus? Well, here's your fungus, and look, here's your animal. Your animal is more closely related than this plant is, and you can see it by this chart. So I'm going to click animal, submit, and it'll tell me if I'm right or wrong. Then I'm going to go and play the next one. Okay, and you're going to fill out then the questions for based on this one. Okay, then you have part 3. Then there's mission 2. Mission 3, like I said, there's a lot on here, so I don't know. I'm guessing that you won't be able to get through it all, which is fine. Just come to school on Monday ready to work on it, if that's the case. If there's anything you need from me, let me know, and have a great weekend. Bye.